In the heart of a raging dogfight, fighter jets soar to the skies, showcasing their raw power and precision to defend their nations. Pilots maneuver with unmatched skill, pushing their aircraft to the limits, executing high G turns and lightning-fast evasions to outwit adversaries. These modern marvels, like the F-35 Lightning II Rafale, blend stealth, speed, and firepower. Their advanced ASA radars and thrust vectoring engines, giving them an edge in close-range combat and beyond visual range strikes. Cutting-edge technology plays a pivotal role. AI-driven systems, like those tested in DARPA's Air Combat Evolution program, enable split-second decisions, while sensor fusion and data-sharing networks provide real-time battlefield awareness. Missiles like the Meteor and PL-15 extend engagement ranges, turning dogfights into high-tech duels where every move is calculated. These jets aren't just machines. They're guardians of sovereignty, wielding innovation to protect their skies and secure peace. Drones like the Loyal Wingman now fly alongside, sharing risk and enhancing tactics. Hypersonic weapons add new dimensions, demanding ever faster responses. In this arena, courage meets technology, ensuring freedom endures. Electronic warfare systems jam enemy radars, creating windows for precise strikes. Satellite-linked navigation keeps pilots oriented in chaotic skies. Advanced helmet displays project crew training, letting pilots focus on the fight. Cyber defenses shield jets from hacking attempts, safeguarding their systems. Unmanned wingmen scout ahead, relaying enemy positions instantly. Laser-based offenses, still experimental, promise to counter incoming threats. Every second counts, as pilots balance instinct with machine precision. Ground crews, unsung heroes, ensure jets are mission ready. Simulators train pilots for every scenario, sharpening their edge. These skies are a testament to human ingenuity, where technology and bravery unite to protect nations.